Do you know that how pitching part is increasing your visibility on LinkedIn? If you want to learn, then watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq. In the previous videos, we have talked about that LinkedIn is divided in two main parts. One is the pitching part and one is the selling part. The pitching part, like the name indicates, that it pitches your digital presence, your online presence, we can say your digital brand on LinkedIn or on the internet. Now the pitching part consists of three parts. One is the name, one is the profile picture, and one is the headline. Now pitching part is going to making you visible everywhere on LinkedIn. Like this pitching part is visible everywhere on LinkedIn. Either you are going to create any content, either you are going to engage with anyone, either you are applying for the jobs, either anyone is searching profiles to increase their network or to find the talent, or what are their purpose. But these three things are visible everywhere on LinkedIn, and that's why they are called the pitching part of LinkedIn. Now, how this pitching part is going to increase your visibility on LinkedIn, we will check it, we will learn it on the LinkedIn environment live on the LinkedIn screen. So let's visit to the LinkedIn environment and learn that how it's going to increase your visibility on LinkedIn and how it is presenting you on LinkedIn. Now go towards the LinkedIn screen, and we can watch it here, we can see it here that when I create a content, then these three things, name, profile picture, and LinkedIn headline, is visible, and it's visible to all the viewers that have, like all the LinkedIn members that have viewed this post. The same is this post is visible to so many people, and they have viewed these three things, this pitching part of my LinkedIn profile. And the same is when I engage with anyone, when I engage on any post, I comment, I like any post, then these three things are visible. Like I have commented here, I engage with this post, and these three things are visible here. Now when anyone want to increase their network and want to increase their connection, want to search for any person, then these three things are visible. Like watch it here, her name, her profile picture, and her LinkedIn headline. Name, profile picture, LinkedIn headline. When I message anyone or I receive message from anyone, then these three things are visible. Like let's check it here, and the name of this LinkedIn member, her profile picture, and the LinkedIn headline. So same is it is here, name, profile picture, and there is no LinkedIn headline written here, so it will not like here LinkedIn headline, name, and profile picture. So these three things are visible everywhere on LinkedIn, so that's why they are called pitching part of LinkedIn, and they are going to increase your visibility on LinkedIn and to increase the they are converting the viewers to the visitors. But it depends upon the uniqueness and depends upon the what type of value you are adding to your network, to the members on LinkedIn. If you are not able to add value on LinkedIn, and your pitching part is not able to stay unique, to help you be visible and be unique among the LinkedIn members, then it will not convert the viewers to the visitors, and it will not help you to pitch your digital brand on LinkedIn. So that's all about the pitching part of LinkedIn and how it's increasing your visibility on LinkedIn and how it's visible everywhere on LinkedIn. So in the next video, we will talk more about the LinkedIn and how you can grow and win on LinkedIn. So if you have liked this video, then share this with your friends and colleagues. Also, if you have still not subscribed this YouTube channel Grow with Ishtiaq, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also follow Startivation on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn. Also you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I am present there with my account name Muhammad Ishtiaq. So thank you for watching and stay tuned.